Let's learn how to play the note G on clarinet. G is written on the second line from the bottom on the staff. So we have our bottom line, which is E, go up a line, and we have a note right there. That is the note G. Sounds like this. Now on the clarinet, we can play a lower octave version of G like this. We can play a higher octave version of G like this. As a beginner, the first G we always learn is this one on the second line of the staff. So let's take a look at our fingering chart. Remember, our fingering chart is a picture of all the keys on the clarinet, and the ones that are colored in are the ones you're supposed to press down. So you might notice on this fingering chart for G on clarinet, there are no keys colored in, and that's because we play G simply holding our clarinet in proper position and not pressing down any keys. So that seems kind of easy, right? We don't have to press down any keys. The little bit of a tricky part is we need to make sure that even though we're not pressing down any keys, our fingers need to stay close to their home keys. We can't spread out our fingers like this, and we can't sort of move our hand up here and hold the barrel. You really should practice with your curved hands, keeping each of your fingers very close to their home key. And we simply play the G without pressing any fingers down. If your note didn't work or didn't sound like mine, here are some things to check. Now normally, the first item on our checklist is to make sure you're pressing down the correct keys. So on a G, we don't press any keys down, so we can skip that step. Step 2, though, is important. It's make sure you're not hitting any side keys by accident. We make sure we're doing our curved fingers, our C-shaped hands on both hands. And when we're holding the clarinet, we make sure we're not sort of collapsing our hands down and accidentally hitting any side keys. That will make our note not sound correct. Now, step 3 is normally make sure you're completely covering the holes. And we don't have any holes to cover on this. Let's skip that one. Step 4 is very important. Make sure you're doing all the fundamentals of playing a note on your clarinet. That's sitting with proper posture. We're holding our clarinet in proper position with proper hand position. We're doing a good embouchure or band face. And we take a deep breath and we sustain our note with good, steady air. So that's how we play the note G on the second line of our staff on clarinet. You can learn other clarinet notes by checking out our tutorials. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice.